Hi, my name is Thomas Kim. In this session, we will learn how to make this kind of graphics on computer. Say to learn this, we need to understand how to plot equations on polar coordinate system. Some of you may not know what is polar coordinate system, but it is something very convenient to us sometimes, and it's not difficult. Say if we have equations like this, these are called equation on polar coordinate system. In equations on polar coordinate system usually have r r is radius and theta is angle. So A and B in this equation are constant, but theta and r are variables. Theta is usually independent variable and r is usually dependent variable. In the Cartesian coordinate, x is usually independent variable, y is usually dependent variable. So we can convert polar coordinate system to Cartesian coordinate system like this. X equals r times sine theta. Y equals r cosine theta. Oh, I made a mistake. Uh, X is not sine, it should be cosine. Sorry. And Y should be sine. Okay, I made a mistake. So this equation, using this simple equation, we can plot figures like this, beating heart. In next two sessions, in this session, I will demonstrate how to plot equations in polar coordinate system on computer monitor. Then in next session, I will teach you how to have your heart beating. Okay, so let's go. Open project and open project 7. Sorry, I copied it. Okay, from previous sessions. And if we okay, follow with me. In the previous session, I made some mistake, very simple mistake, and the draw axis in this function. In draw axis function has some flaws, so I will fix it here. Say magnification factor should be used like axis, and it should also be applied to here. Axis here it should be y scaling factor, and here y scaling factor. Okay, fixed like this. Okay, let's go back to initialize function here, and we will remove some stuff. This is quadratic equation, we don't need it, so remove it, and we also don't need it. Okay, we will keep it, and we don't need a circle. Instead, we have to change radius. If we see this equation again, r is variable now. Theta is independent. Theta is independent variable. Theta. Say I'm Korean. I don't know how native speakers pronounce theta. Theta, whatever. So I will call it theta. Okay. Say theta is independent variable and r is dependent variable. So r should be function function like this. Okay. Let's change to R. It should be fixed. I will remove it. Auto radius. Radius is now variable. A function, functor function. We may need radian. Radian. We may need radian. And let's see. Oh, we need a pi. Pi is pi. We need pi and float. Red. Plot red. It returns float. Okay, so we will have functions. I will set something like this times minus sin f. Red is now variable, and f. Okay, so it gets radius is now function, lambda function. It gets variable red and computes radius, and this is actually I will modify it 91. Okay, it becomes 90. It becomes 4. If you compare with this equation, okay, I will make it smaller. Okay, 90 times 1 minus sine theta plus 4. Theta is actual radian angle. Okay, then we want to get cardioid. We don't need it anymore. We change it to cardioid. Cardioid is also lambda function, radian, and theta it returns, and radian theta already. Plot. Note, we are calling functions radius, red. See, this is function now. Okay, this is function, not lambda function, not just a variable. It is now lambda function, and we have to compute the same way as before. This is the only line changed in this function. Instead of we just put lambda variables here, and we have to change it to cardioid, and everything seems to be done, and we also have to change it. And let's also change some, adjust some here. I will change it 307, and here 240. It is coordinate boundary, Cartesian boundary. Okay, let's compare it. Okay, we have some error messages. Oh, it should be R. It should be R. See, this is the equation. If you see this in this page, you can see this is the equation. R cosine theta. Theta is radian degree, R sine theta. This is x component, this is y component. So we applied mathematics to our code, Okay, then what's next? Okay, let's compile it once again. Okay, now let's see our result. Wow, it's our heart. So we will remove coordinate here and make it smoother. We will remove, let me see, draw axis. I will remove it. And let's see, I will make more smooth. Smooth means it should be like 2. Okay, I will build it once again. Wow, it's beautiful. Say, this is end of our session, and the lesson is very simple. If you understand some mathematics, very simple mathematics sometimes, it looks very complex, but if you understand some basics, fundamentals, you can do many more things in your computer graphics. In next session, I will make this heart beating, like my heart is beating. In this session, this heart is not beating, but in next session, I will make this heart beating. Thank you.